Okay, today we're looking at a 2015 Ford Focus SE. It's got 60,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's magnetic, metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Driver's side of the Focus is in good shape. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. Alright, it does have the hatchback on the back of it here. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in good shape. Alright, it's a 15, 60,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, just 2 owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, power windows, power locks. Alright, it's got power mirrors. Black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Alright. And when you open this middle console up, you've got auxiliary, USB, and a power outlet there. Passenger seat cloth looks good. It is an automatic. Got another power outlet for you here. Another USB port here. Alright, it is equipped with Microsoft Sync. Got your climate control area there. AM/FM CD player. Then you're going to have the display right there, the radio display, and also have your backup camera right there. It is equipped with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And then you got your cruise control over here on this side. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 60,296 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, go ahead and show you the radio again now that we got the buttons lit up. And then your climate control area here. Alright, AC's blowing cold, no problems at all there. Let's go ahead and step out and take a look in the back seat. And I'm going to go ahead and walk around, open up the doors on this Focus so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Sometimes the black cloth is a little more difficult to see. Alright. Door panels look good. Back seat carpet back here is in nice shape, nice and clean. And then the back seat cloth is also in really good shape. Alright, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Go ahead and take a look back here in the back hatch. Carpet back here is nice and clean. So lift that up. Get your spare tire under there. Plenty of room in the back of this. Go ahead and shut that down. I'll give you another look from this side at the back seat. Alright, back seat cloth is in great shape. No issues at all on the interior of this Focus. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, 16-inch alloys. Alright, tires are in good shape, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, we got a 2015 Ford Focus SE, 60,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.